Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify clothing store. First, you will need to create your Shopify account and choose a memorable store name. Next, select a theme that perfectly matches your brand's style and vision. Shopify offers hundreds of free and paid themes to get you started. Then, personalize your chosen theme by adding your logo, adjusting colors, and selecting appropriate fonts to create a cohesive look. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your online presence. Now, let's talk about getting your products into the store. Begin by clearly defining your clothing niche and understanding your target audience. You can source products through various methods, such as dropshipping, print-on-demand services, or buying wholesale. Once you have your inventory, upload high-quality product photos from multiple angles. Write detailed, engaging descriptions that highlight key features and benefits, helping customers make informed purchasing decisions. Aim for at least 3 to 5 photos per product. Building a strong brand identity is vital for your clothing store. Create essential pages such as About Us, Contact, and FAQ to build trust with your customers. Next, configure your shipping rates and integrate secure payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal. Ensure your store is fully optimized for mobile devices, as over 50% of online shopping happens on phones. A seamless user experience across all devices is key to retaining visitors and driving sales. Finally, it's time to launch and market your amazing clothing store. Develop a robust marketing strategy utilizing social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, alongside email campaigns. Consider offering exciting launch promotions, perhaps a 20% discount on first orders, to attract initial customers. After launch, continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback. This ongoing analysis will help you refine your product offerings and marketing efforts for sustained growth and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.